I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. It's the home of the 3 or 4 minute video. I tell you everything you need to know. You can contact me if you need to. I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff. I've been on all the major news stations. I've been doing this 50 years. I've worked thousands of cases. I work the offer and compromise program at IRS. I'm a national expert at anything that I talk about. Today I want to talk to you about, many people call me and they say, hey, Mr. Sullivan, I can't pay my IRS debt. I have some money, but I really can't pay my IRS debt. What do I do? Oh, by the way, if you want to see me in a nice coat and tie and how good I look on the national news, go to 777irs.com and you'll see me. You'll see how good I look there. But anyway, if you can't, if you don't have the money to pay your debt, you know, IRS has 2 programs for you. They have the currently non-collectible and the offer and compromise. Both are different programs. They both do different things, but a lot of people just don't have the money to pay at this time. The currently non-collectible means at this time, I currently can't pay the taxes and I need IRS to kind of give me a break. And if you're currently non-collectible, you may have assets and there's just nothing you can do at the time, and you say, IRS, give me a couple years and let's reevaluate my case. And IRS says, yeah, we'll do that. IRS requires a financial statement. If the case is up in the service center, they'll want a 433F financial statement. It's a 2-page form. Or they'll want a 433A if the revenue officer wants it, but most of you will have a 433F. The offer and compromise program settles the debt for pennies on a dollar, but you have to qualify for that. To qualify for that, IRS is going to look at 2 things that you need to know about. They want to know what your total assets are, what your total liquidity assets are. If you sold everything, what are you going to bring IRS? If you can pay the tax with that amount of money, IRS is not going to do an offer and compromise. The other thing they're going to look at is what sort of income you make and what sort of expenses, in fact, that you have. IRS, there's a formula that they use. And if you kind of pass by that formula and you could figure that formula out, we can do that for you. You can go ahead and file an offer and compromise. The thing that makes the determination is your current financial statement. You can qualify many people for both, and you want to pick the one that's suited for you. But if you're listening today, someone actually has to look at the financial statement that you're going to give IRS. Do not just hire a company for the sake because they can settle for pennies on a dollar. Most of those ads are false and not true. Remember, I used to accept offers and compromise for the United States government when I was a revenue officer. So if you have a question, you can call me. I'll look at your financial statement within 15 seconds. I'll tell you whether you're offer or you're going to be put in hardship. If you would, please give me a subscription. Follow my channel. Got a bunch of subscribers. Thank you very much. I always tell you the truth. Thanks for the subscription.